Hey everyone, this is Kiana with Diki Creative Media, and today we'll be doing a tutorial on the difference between the weld and the attach tool. So as you can see here, we just have some text on our artboard, and the font that we use separates the text, so the text overlaps each other, and as you can see, it creates separate individual letters. Now sometimes what you want to make happen is when you cut this, you want it to be one complete image. But as of right now, when you take it into cut, it will cut each letter individually. So you'll see those cut lines throughout each one. To fix that, we can use the tool called Weld. Now, Weld will basically fuse everything together and cut the image as one complete image. Now, sometimes when you're cutting an image, you want the tool, the actual image to stay together, but you don't want to weld the tool. So what you'll do is, and I didn't mean to delete that. Let's bring that back. So what you'll do is, let's turn this off. For this image here, each piece is its own separate piece. So if we were to cut, you would go to Make. And as you can see here, each piece will cut and it doesn't stay. Now that would be a nightmare to try to piece each one of these individual cuts into this whole image. So what you would want to do is first you would go up to Ungroup, and then say we want to select all the yellow pieces and have those cut together. So you would just simply do the Shift and click on each yellow piece that you have here. And that's what I'm doing. And then you'll go down to Attach. And the reason I did Attach was so that when we go to Make, it'll separate each of these into its own color board. But then let's look at the yellow. The yellow is all put together so that when you cut it, you just mirror your image and cut the file out. Now, sometimes if this is the whole image and this is the way you want it to be, and we're just focusing on the yellow, you can do what is called you can use the Weld tool, and it would weld the yellow pieces together. The only issue with that is if you ever wanted to go back and say, take the bow tie off, you wouldn't be able to because it fuses all those pieces together as one image. So in order to get around that, that is when you would use the Attach tool. And so you'd select your yellow pieces and then use the Attach. But right now it's already attached. And you can deattach them, as you can see here, and then we could go in and turn off the bow tie. And then it wouldn't be, you wouldn't have to cut that piece. So the Weld is somewhat like permanent, and the Attach tool is semi-permanent because you can always go back and make changes if you would like. And that is the difference between the Weld and the Attach tool. Thanks again for watching this tutorial with Diki Creative Media on Cricut Design Space. Please be sure to like, subscribe, and click that little bell to be notified when we upload videos. We upload videos twice a week, so be sure to stop back and check us out.